This is your standard motion detector. It mounts by opening the case here. Has a little push tab. These mount in a corner usually, but you can surface mount them flat on a wall. I recommend a corner. These little holes right here will be where your screws go. This one, this one, this one, and this one in each corner. This is your tamper switch. So if this is pressed in too far, your motion detector will give you a tamper alert whether it is open or not. Be careful not to depress this too far. One screw here and one screw here is usually sufficient to hold these securely. To put this back on, you just align the grooves here with the top and snap it in place. It'll hang up at least at 7 feet of height, minimum. These are your surface mount door or window contacts. The mounting on these, they will have a sticky pad, or you can screw these on. These mounting plates come off the back. The sticky pad will just attach to here, and you can depress it and stick it on the wall and it'll stay there. Same thing with the magnet. Now these magnets do have to align in a certain spot on these contacts. If you notice, this side is smooth, this side has 2 little ridges. The magnet needs to go between those ridges. This is also a door contact or window. Here's the tape I was talking about. You peel off the coating, stick it on the wall. These are a little different than the other ones. These have a small set of ridges right here on this side. The magnet needs to align with those ridges like this, as close as possible, but you know, like one piece on the door, one piece on the window. If the piece that you're mounting to is going to move, put the magnet on the moving piece, keep the sensor on the stationary piece. Your image sensor. These work the same way as a motion detector. Mount them in corners or on walls. They do have mounting hardware that you can mount like a bracket, and you can turn it to face a direction that you want. Otherwise, they work the same way as a motion detector. The only difference is when the system is armed and it captures an alarm event, it will take pictures every time it detects motion. The main thing to learn about motion detection placement is do not point them at windows, and do not point them towards large heat sources or large cold sources, because they will cause false alarms. Other than that, you should be fine.